Okay, now align item content and align self. What exactly it is? Okay, so suppose if we are working, like if you have a particular span in which primary is written, and we have a mat icon which is bigger than that. Okay, and you need that everything should be in particular way, like we can say everything would be the center. So in that way, this should be a text, this should be a button, and like that way. So what we can do, we can align items such that each of them should align in the in the cross axis or in the axis which is from left to right in the say in the row. Okay, so what exactly, so we can see first value is the default value, that is stretch. So what exactly it will do, suppose the original size or original height, you can say here instead of width, original height or something, so it will stretch everything so that everything come in a single line. Okay, so everything come into this axis, this is the axis, and everything get aligned to that. Okay, another thing is, okay, we can come to baseline later on. Okay, another thing is flex start. So start, what it will do, it will start from the very beginning, like everything aligned to the top. Okay, in the case of column, everything aligned to the top. In the align item center, what exactly it will do, it will align everything in the central axis. So alignment means in the way that the height is adjusted in the case of row and width is adjusted in the time when it comes to column. Okay, then there is something called flex end. So what exactly flex end is, the end, everything aligned to the end part. Okay, so this is the way alignment is done, at the top, at the bottom, or in the center. In that way, or either we can stretch everything and put into the same height, something like that. Or what we can do, one more thing is baseline. Baseline, what exactly it will do, it will align everything in a row such that the last text, so here suppose last text is A or something is written there, is there some full stop or something, from that point it will measure everyone's last line, and it will align such a way that all the lines should come together. So suppose here there is some sentences are written and the last word is A. Here some sentences are written B and rest all space are left as it is. So what baseline will do, it will do everything from the baseline, that is from the last text it will do. Okay, it will check that where the text or your in the div end, and it will do accordingly such that everything look into the same column. Okay, so this is not much use, but it can be used. Like I guess Google News use this, and there are many ways we can use this later accordingly. Same way in the column, it is like it will check left and right thing with respect to. So if you put flex end here, everything aligned to the right hand side. If I put flex start here, everything come to the left hand side, and center is the same way. So axis is changing, so it's opposite what is there in the row. But we can see, like we can understand from this example how everything work in the, as we see in the justify content, same thing in the aligned item. Okay, so any doubt till here? Okay, so align self, what exactly it is, how it is differing from aligned okay, so let's say what exactly align item is doing. If you put align as from flex start, what exactly it will do, it will put I am just theoretically explaining, so it will put align self flex start in each one of them. So if you want that there should be one property which should be differing from the alignment what is there in the flex aligned item. So what you can do, you can change by align self. So here if you see what I have done, I have put align self as start. Okay, these three are in the align self start, so everything stick to the top. Okay, but what I have did for the C item is that I have put align self as flex end. So in the flex end, it will go to the bottommost of the project, and and for the column thing, it will go to the rightmost part. So it is changing the way how it is done in row and column, and you can change one particular property of each one of them. Align self. Align self always come inside and what we say items instead of container. Align self. Sorry, here it would be align items. Okay, I have missed that. So here it's align item as start. Everything is a start, and align self always come inside the inner child. So in the align self can modify one value of the align item which is already in the alignment. Any confusion till here? Okay. Now coming to multi-grid system. Okay, so align content is the one which we can arrange the way in the multi-grid. So in the multi-grid, suppose if this is an, okay, this is one of the row, and as soon as it we have applied flex wrap, everything comes to the next line. Okay, when it comes to the next line, if we apply say justify content space between, So first content would come to the first, and second would be the at the line. Here also first is the at the beginning, second one is at the end, and everything is in the between. Okay. Now what we want to do, we want to alter this particular row. If you say this particular row is as a one block, and this particular block as a one block, so we can use align content. So if we put, suppose here it is the normal one, that is the default behavior. If we put start, everything come to the top, so this one comes to the top, and as followed by this one also start, and it will stick to the top. Okay, same way if we put the align content end or the flex end, what it will do, it will come to the bottom, everything comes to the this e and f come to the bottom most, and this one come to the little more downer, so that we can see the content. So here this entire block, this the dotted one, this entire blocks move instead of inner element. Okay, inner element doesn't care, so each of the line you can alter the way it is. So space between would be first one come to the top, this block come to the end, and the space is created in between. Same way, align content space evenly, that is equal, it will be equally spaced everywhere, and the space around, we have seen this would be smaller, this would be smaller, this would be twice the distance of top and bottom one. So like that, align content work in the multi-grid, and it will change the alignment of a particular row in the case when flex direction is row, or an entire column when flex direction is column, and like that we can move accordingly. Then there is align content center. So center would be centralizing the entire thing in the between. So here it would be QE space, here it would be QE space. Same way, align content stretch, what it will do, it will stretch top and the bottom one. So till here we can say that our aligned content or all the major topic has covered. Only gap is remaining. That is like how we can set the gap, which we can say later on. So align content in the column, it can work in the same way with respect to left and right instead of top and bottom. Okay. So this one is the last topic in which we can set the gap in between. So if it is a row gap, it will set gap in the row, and if it is a column gap, it will set the gap in the column. And accordingly, we can work in the multi-way axis. We can set column gap, row gap, and flex gap. So I guess this is one of the example you can see later on. I have shown an example how we can apply flex to the real item. Thank you. I guess everything is clear.